Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Tech Tips for Everybody. So today we're going to do another WeVideo tutorial. I hope you liked the last one on just basic editing of clips. And this one is going to be about adding different themes to your video. So before we get started, please subscribe to this channel and like this video. So here we are in WeVideo, and this is the test video from last time. We're going to click the pencil to edit it, and I changed it to how to add themes in WeVideo because that's what we will be doing today. And again, I have the title page and then the intro here just as a video, just to show you. And how we're going to add themes is we're going to, in the upper left hand corner, we're going to click the kind of like magic wand type of button, and right now we're at the basic black theme, and I like the 1960 theme. So what you can do is you can like click the play button and listen to it. So there's also like the hopeful blue one, and then you can try different ones, and then some of them are locked if you don't have the pro plan. I'm gonna stick with 1960 theme, and then you're gonna click done. So it added a different kind of look to it, and then you can play the video, and as you'll see, since there's music for the theme, and then there's also music in the intro, it might sound weird, but I'll show you how to fix that in a second. Okay, so as you can see, that kind of looked weird for the intro, so we're going to click on the intro block, and we're actually, instead of the volume being 100% for this video, we're going to make it to being 0% so that you can only hear the music of the theme, not the music of this video. You can also make it so that you don't hear the theme's music, but we're not going to do that for right now. So if you hear it again. And so now you can only hear the theme's music and not the videos. Okay, so that was a very quick tutorial on how to add themes to your WeVideo videos. So please comment down below if you like these tutorials or what tutorial I should do next. And yeah, please subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching.